The market wisdom: after 4 straight days of drubbing, Nifty may now brace for a volatile up and down session. The US President Donald Trump remains the ultimate wildcard, capable of swinging sentiment in either direction at any moment. Is the wildcard out there? Our call of the day: well, the bull market at Dalal Street is seen in a serious trouble. The near-term headwind in focus. The US President Donald Trump has purportedly backed a bill that threatens to raise tariffs on India to at least 500%. The US President Donald Trump has signed a presidential memorandum directing the withdrawal of the US from 66 international organizations, the White House said. Long story short, bullish traders are likely to trade with caution on any excessive intraday strength as Nifty's near-term bullish momentum appears to be losing steam. Market trends. The global cues are neutral. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 3367 crores while DII were net buyers to the tune of Rs 3701 crores. Sentiments are likely to be risky for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals suggest massive consolidation. FANO January month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 25,300 and 26,300 zone. India VIX, the fear index spiked towards 10.60 levels. At last check, USD INR, January, was trading near the 90.03 levels. Nifty PCR, 27th January, is at 0.98 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 27th January, is at 0.96. Nifty outlook: the bull market at Dalal Street is facing serious fatigue on backdrop of increased selling pressure from FII's camp. Caution shall continue to be the buzzword. What technicals tells on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP to 5877. Biggest intraday support for Nifty is now placed at 25,693 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 26,057 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 25750 and 26,000. Bias for the day is neutral. Sensex, CMP 84181. Biggest support for Sensex is now placed only at 83,500 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 84,700 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 83,500 and 84500. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 59687. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 59,300 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 60,100 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 59,000 and 60,000. Bias for the day is neutral. Stock market news. Nifty received massive drubbing in yesterday's trade on reports that suggest US President Donald Trump has purportedly backed a bill that threatens to raise tariffs on India to at least 500%. Nifty losses extended for the fourth straight session. India VIX jumped 6%, reflecting a notable rise in near-term volatility and investor anxiety. Stocks in spotlight. 1. TCS, minus 3.02%, 3,196 rupees. TCS, minus 3.02%, plunges leads Nifty. IT stocks decline ahead of Q3 results on Monday, 12 January 2026. 2. All eyes were on the initial public offering, IPO, of Bharat Coking Coal, BCCL, a wholly owned subsidiary of Coal India, which opens for public subscription on Friday, 9 January 2025. The company plans to raise 1,071.11 crore rupees through an entirely offer for sale, OFS, of up to 465.60 million equity shares. 3. Meesho, minus 4.75%, 164 rupees and 90 paise. Meesho shares plunged following the resignation of Megha Agrawal, General Manager Business, effective 7 January 2026, triggering near-term sentiment pressure. 4. Tata Steel, minus 2.12%, 179 rupees and 90 paise. Tata Steel fell after the company's India crude steel production stood at 6.34 million tons in Q3 FY26, up 12% QoQ and YoY, primarily aided by higher output at Jamshedpur and Kalingnagar facilities.